This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Links, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
ABI is the application binary interface that is used to interact with smart contracts from the front end, which is the DApp. There are three different ABI formats. We have the JSON format, the JSON ABI, the binary ABI, and the human readable ABIs.
So ABI actually typically contains what we know as function description. It gives details of encoding and decoding function calls and also the return values. All right, then we'll talk about event description. That actually gives details of event emission, giving the parameters and also the names of event emitted in a smart contract. All right, so basically ABIs are used to interact with smart contracts, right? Libraries that can be used, that we can use for ABIs, they include Web3.js, Ether.js, and so many others.